So to check your feedback, this is what you want to do. You want to go to grades. Whoa, there's been a lot of assignments this semester, eh? So you want to go to your rough draft outline. This is from a previous semester. We used to have 4 formal speeches. Good thing we only have 7-week classes now, huh? So you got 3 places to look for feedback. You're going to look at that rubric. Click on the rubric. Look at all this feedback. I've got handwritten comments here. You've got your points of whatever you got. So this usually directs you to look at the written feedback. Also, this comment here says, see comment squiggles on draft and rubric for feedback. So here's the rubric. Here's the draft. Click on this hyperlink. It's going to open up and you're going to go over here. View feedback. I've been talking about it all semester, but I feel like so few of you have utilized it. So I'm only assuming you didn't know how to check for it. So here you go. Look, I got these squiggly lines. They've got comments associated. This person didn't use organizational labeling here. Also, they kind of have too much going on in the thesis. They need to pare it down, right? They don't want to have their central idea here. I tell them it's not a very intriguing attention grabber, right? So I've been giving you all this feedback all semester. Please go back and look at this feedback for rough draft outline for formal speech number 3. I've just finished giving it to you today. So please go back and look at that feedback. I gave a lot of 5s, 6s, and 7s on this outline. So that means everyone needs more work and development on this. But if you follow some of these tips I've shared in the video here, lead with your attention grabber, fully develop your attention grabber, make sure it gets our attention. Remember to share some background information and a full thesis that previews your main points. You want to get your counter argument and your call to action in there. Make those strong, concrete, well-developed things. Get your ethos in there, your verbal citations, in-text citations, and your works cited page or your reference page. Make sure to practice and time yourself. Don't forget your audience members. You can include them virtually, remember. So all of you that are like, I'm at home by myself, I know you know how to use FaceTime, Skype, whatever it is that you like to use. So get some folks on there, show them to me at the end of the video, and make sure to look at your feedback. Oh, and don't forget your visual aid. Okay, that about wraps it up. So I'm really hoping that you guys are going to go out here and nail this final speech. This is your last opportunity to prove to me that you learned something this semester. I know you did. You all have been working so hard. Prove it to me. And that's my challenge to you.